Have you ever heard the terms MTBF, MTTR, and MTTA, and wondered what they actually mean? These three metrics are commonly used in IT DevOps engineering and operations to measure how reliable a system is and how well teams respond when something breaks. Let's break them down in simple terms. First, MTBF, which stands for mean time between failures. This tells you how long a system runs on average before it fails. So imagine your system runs for 1,000 hours, and during that time it fails 5 times. You divide 1,000 by 5 and you get 200 hours. That means, on average, your system runs for 200 hours before something goes wrong. The higher your MTBF, the more reliable your system is. Next is MTTR, mean time to repair. This measures how long it takes to fix a failure and restore service. Let's say those 5 failures caused a total of 10 hours of downtime. You divide 10 hours by 5 incidents. That gives you 2 hours. So on average, it takes 2 hours to recover from a failure. Lower MTTR means faster recovery, and that's always the goal. Now, let's talk about MTTA, mean time to acknowledge. This measures how quickly someone responds after an alert is triggered. For example, if 5 alerts took a total of 25 minutes before someone acknowledged them, that's an average of 5 minutes per alert. Lower MTTA means your team reacts faster when problems appear. So here's a quick recap. MTBF measures how often things break. MTTR measures how quickly you fix them. MTTA measures how quickly you respond. Together, these three metrics give you a powerful picture of system reliability and operational performance. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of technical concepts.